Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Jordan Williams.
Good afternoon, Central Oregon. We have some good news, and depending on how you like your weather, some more good news or bad news. Let's first start with the overall good news. This watches and warnings, our air stagnation advisory that we've had for the last few days expires tomorrow. If you haven't been watching, basically what that air stagnation advisory means is more chances for air pollutants in the air. Only parts of Central Oregon really seeing that, though. Bend, Redmond, Madras. Today, though, good air quality, so that advisory will expire tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Now let's get to the other part of the forecast, the good news, bad news, depending on how you like your weather. If you like rain and snow, it's good news. If you don't, maybe bad news, but Central Oregon does need some rain and snow. So right now, some light cloud coverage will come into the Central Oregon area Monday night, but we won't see chances for rain and snow until we get to Tuesday. You can see early Tuesday morning, a lot of heavy cloud coverage, but won't see those chances for rain and snow until very late Tuesday night. You can see 10 o'clock, the system in the upper left-hand corner is going to bring with it a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow. Redmond seeing about a 30% chance for snow Tuesday night. Lapine about a 40% chance. Bend seeing slight chances for rain and snow as well. We really see some chances pick up early Wednesday morning as the system kind of moves through Central Oregon, dissolves as we move into Wednesday afternoon and kind of clears up. This week is this is kind of the trend we're seeing this week. We're seeing some clouds move in, move out. Once those systems stay with us, that we will see chances for rain and snow throughout the week. Here's a look at your travel conditions. Bachelor was open today, so if you were up there at the mountain, you had a really nice, easy drive, mild conditions there. Everywhere else, not seeing any rain or snow, so pretty calm driving conditions there. Today's high temperatures across the state, the coast at the 50s and 60s. Burns didn't even get out of freezing conditions today. Redmond at 54 and 50 for Bend. Above average temperatures, that's a trend we've also been seeing the last few days according to the Roberts Field Almanac. Usually around this time of the year, a temperature of about 41, so 9 degrees above that in Redmond. If you're wondering what the average, or the record high, I should say, is about 58 degrees, so still pretty far off of that. Current conditions, as I mentioned, the rest of Central Oregon in the 40s and 30s. Redmond's your high number at 50. And then we're going to look at your forecast lows coming up. Most of Central Oregon in freezing conditions. Bend, the only number outside of that at 33 degrees. Warm Springs, Sisters, Prineville, Sun River, and Lapine below 30 degrees. And your forecast highs tomorrow, as I mentioned, those high above average temperatures staying with us. Redmond, though, the only place in Central Oregon at 50, followed by Bend and Prineville right there at 49. Rest of Central Oregon in the mid to upper 40s. We're going to get a look at your 7-day forecast now. Thursday, first day of Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah to anybody celebrating. Chances for rain and snow. Wednesday is going to be one of the greatest chances for rain and snow, and then Saturday as well. 20% for Wednesday, 30% for Saturday. That's in Redmond. But you can see most of this week we will see chances for rain and snow even into Monday.